over time. And remember, at major conferences, this is a major conference, but other conferences that you have maybe outside other countries, they are very strict. They'll start you on a watch. Then when you've got 5 minutes left, they'll show you a picture. 5 minutes. Then when you've got 1 minute left, they'll show you 1 minute. And when the time is up, the chest and chair will stand up, you'll come in front, even if you're finished or not. So just keep that in mind. So try to have your slides less than the amount of minutes you have. Now, I was told this morning for my presentation, I've got between 25 and 30 minutes. That was the email I received. It wasn't on the program. I think the program gave me 15 minutes. But Professor Khan said 25 to 30. So how many slides did I have? 26. Okay, so it's a bit more than the 25, but he said 25 to 30. So your slide should always be less than the amount of time. Now, do you think this is good?
No.
Why not?
It looks informal.
It's not professional. So never put hands.
Inside, yes.
Never. You want your hands to do what for you?
To speak for you.
Excellent. Your hands, remember you've got body language, yeah? There's body language. Smiles, head, hands alter. Huge universe. Small amount of data. Your hands convey very important information. So use your hands. And then number 3. I'm only going to South Africa because I want to see Cape Town because I want to see what Table Mountain looks like because I'm very interested in mountains. What's the problem?
Slow.
Speed. If we speak too fast, we will lose our audience. So we need to slow with the speed. Remember, we're not catching a train. So please keep those 3 things in mind. Then, I want to especially say thank you to the audience for the questions. When the presenter here has put a lot of effort in to do the research, to do the presentation. So we must engage with the presenter. Even if it's just one question, even if it's asking him, how old are you? Or, from which country do you come? Or something like that. Get him to give some answer so that he can go back to his own university and say, I have 1 question. Or I have 2 questions they asked me. But if he goes back and the supervisor asks him, do they ask you questions? Nobody asked me any questions. I think that student is sad, I think. So please, at least ask 1 question in the future at a conference of each presenter. Engage the presenter, and you'll make his or her day. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.